Changes in demand. The law of demand states other things remaining, but in economics, not all factors remain the same. There are factors that are influencing demand. And in this video, we'll have a look at the most important factors, starting with prices of related goods. Related goods can either be substitutes, for example a desktop computer or a laptop, which are almost common in use, or complementary, which we call complementary goods. A coffee machine, for example, needs coffee beans. When the price for a tablet increases, its demand falls, and people may consider switching to a desktop computer. When the prices for coffee machines increase, the demand for coffee machines falls, and this will have a consequence for the demand for coffee beans. That will also fall. Another factor influencing demand are expected future prices. When people expect prices to increase in the future, they will purchase a product earlier, so demand will increase in the short run. The third factor is income. If people expect their income to increase, they can spend more on products, so demand for products in general will increase. This also applies to the fourth factor, expected future income or the availability of credit. If people anticipate that their income will be higher or that they have access to credit, they may anticipate on this increased income or availability of credit and start spending today. This could lead to an increase in demand. Population is another factor that influences demand. An increase in the size of the number of people in a country leads automatically to more demand for goods and services in general. The last factor mentioned in this video is preferences. Our preferences are continuously changing. Our tastes, fashion, and therefore our demand for goods and services also changes. We can show the effect of a shift of the demand curve in our regular supply and demand diagram. Vertically you will see the price, horizontally the quantity, upward sloping the quantity supplied, and downward sloping the quantity demanded. If we assume, for example, that taste is increasing, that there's more demand for a product, we'll see a shift of the demand curve to the right. That means that the prices increase and that quantity demanded increases. Because of this shift in the demand curve, prices increase, and suppliers will be more willing to supply the market. This is, however, a shift along the curve for suppliers. So a new equilibrium will be reached at the price of 6 and a quantity of 400, as can be seen in this diagram.